Kajin duwai swaban Pule ya ktien blei. Blei baisnai tu pensle yang daw mense makhu jongmei. Kat bang adang Pule ya ktien jongmei. Ai bangan yo sngew ya sur jongmei. Kaba pasiau haga mensem jonga. Ai yang kajeng start jeng sempang. Pas ngatu ya kubor bami la ai yang ai baga ktien jongmei. Kan long kajeng kemen ya kada nut jonga. Berkasyarak ya kejat jonga. Ai yang kabor bantai ya kajeng im jonga. Halor ktien jongmei. Tu ai bagi ki berok. Kin long hanga katkum ktien jongmei. Penkemen yang haba ngayo sngew ya ktien jongmei. Bat bangan ri kentong yaga. Ren gutrai ngaw sakri jongmei ngasngap. Kublai sibun Jesu hero ime Jesu. Ajeng Pule na gospel bakhuj barkum Lukas kelendong khat kendai kit khat duwai adu arba pra pharshi kiteng ksiar. Kat ba kepai ba kitang ya ngap ya kini ki ai ujisu ula penput da kabakran sa kawai ka pharshi ula poi hajan Jerusalem hangta kela tarai bagahima ublei kela janpau ujisu ula ong uwai ubakrau batri ula lech syagari bajngai bansa thung seim ban angta banwan phai biang swa ban lech ula khot ya ki sipeu ngut ki sakri jangu bat ula ai haki mar kawai kateng ksiar uda ong artat haki pej ayu pila ban kamai dagine hadu bangan dawan kipara shnong jong kila isi ya umta kila pa kinang lam ktien naden jong ban ong ngim kwah ba une ubru sensar halar jongi lajar kata ya uta ubakrau bateri la thung seim bat ula wan phai marya poi ula phakot ya gitu kisakri hakiba ula ai ya ka bisa bandutip ka nu uwai ula ya nong haka ba khayi uban kong ula wan bat ula ong ku kendrat kala kamai sa sipel tyngka ksiar daga tyngka bapila ayanga sabas ula ong pilong usakri babha namar bapila minot hagika marit ngan zapat penja tapi sipel teli shnong ubaar ula wan bat ula ong ku kendrat kala kamai san tyngka ksiar daga tyngka bapila ayanga ha une ula ong pinlong dong pej ya kisan tali kisnong sa uwai pat usakri ula wan bat ula ong ku kendrat hang ni ka tyngka jangpi kaba nga la song khop ha rumal nga la teng yapi namar bapi lang ubru uba perking pisim jagaba pimsam lambu bát phi ớt yagaba phimsem leben mus ula ong ha u mi usakri basnu an pendram yami daki ktien jang mehi myntip pangalong ubah berking ubah shim ya kabom day laga jong bon ubah ot ya kabom shem latung nyuy ma haba gumta ba lay mem sembu ya kapisa janga haga jingbu tyngka bangan dubya biang nyaka lambat kasut enda ngawan pai nangta ula ong hagitu kibayeng hanta kini ya ka tyngka ksiar da u batu ai ha utu ubadan sifeu tyngka kila ong ha u kugun ran ula dan sifeu tyngka ya ong api ula jubab na ha ubri ubadan endang aisu Andrei na uta ubom dan wat yaki kendiat ba udan en knina wat yakitu kinang sun janga kibam kwah bangan laks manga warnya lam yaki sane wat tu penjap yaki hakamat janga enda jesu ula depkren yagane ula ya seprang ula kiu sa Jerusalem kaku bor babha utrai
While they were listening to this, he went on to tell them a parable, because he was near Jerusalem, and the people thought that the kingdom of God was going to appear at once. He said, "A man of noble birth went to a distant country to have himself appointed king and then to return. So he called 10 of his servants and gave them 10 minas. 'Put this money to work,' he said, 'until I come back.' But his subjects hated him and sent a delegation after him to say, 'We don't want this man to be our king.' He was made king, however, and returned home. Then he sent for the servants to whom he had given the money in order to find out what they had gained with it. The first one came and said, 'Sir, your mina has earned 10 more.' 'Well done, my good servant,' his master replied. 'Because you have been trustworthy in a very small matter, take charge of 10 cities.' The second came and said, 'Sir, your mina has earned 5 more.' His master answered, 'You take charge of 5 cities.' Then another servant came and said, 'Sir, here is your mina. I have kept it laid away in a piece of cloth. I was afraid of you, because you are a hard man. You take out what you did not put in, and reap what you did not sow.' His master replied, 'I will judge you by your own words, you wicked servant. You knew, did you, that I am a hard man, taking out what I did not put in, and reaping what I did not sow? Why then didn't you put my money on deposit, so that when I came back, I could have collected it with interest?' Then he said to those standing by, 'Take his mina away from him, and give it to the one who has 10 minas.' 'Sir,' they said, 'he already has 10. He replied, 'I tell you that to everyone who has, more will be given. But as for the one who has nothing, even what they have will be taken away. But those enemies of mine who did not want me to be king over them, bring them here and kill them in front of me.'" After Jesus had said this, he went on ahead, going up to Jerusalem.
ka jingriewblei ku Chris